Lecture 36, Dynamic Web URLs, Connecting the Parser to the App Router. In the previous lecture, we created AppRootParser class to parse root information into AppLink. First we'll fix the restore root information method error, while returning we're passing the configuration which is of type AppLink, to the root information, so instead of that we need to pass the location of the URL to this. Save the file. Now, open main.dart and locate to-do, initialize root information parser and replace it as. Next modify child material app that initializes an internal router. Set root parser. Do remember that the root information parser's job is to convert the app state to and from a URL string. Router delegate helps construct the stack of pages that represents our app state. At this point, we might see some red squiggles or errors in the IDE. Don't worry, we'll fix them in the next lecture. That's it for this lecture. Thank you.